Salud.
Salud. Cheers, baby.
Cheers. So we're heading out to dinner, and we're heading over to, which is right in back of us, Alfredo alla Scrofa. And apparently this is where they invented the Fettuccine Alfredo that, you know, everybody eats and everybody loves. And back in America, we cook at Olive Garden or whatever.
We don't eat at Olive Garden, babe.
Yeah, well, you know what I mean. It's everywhere is my point.
Yeah.
So yeah. So apparently it's Alfredo Di Lelio, and he's the guy that invented Fettuccine Alfredo. And this restaurant's been here for forever.
1914.
1914. We're about to go check it out, and we're going to show you exactly what it looks like. This is the real deal. I don't care where you have Alfredo. This is the best you're probably going to have. This is the original, so come check it out with us.
Maybe he will switch to baby.
One of their famous dishes.
The story of this pasta goes back to more than 100 years ago. So, invented this pasta in this restaurant exactly in 1914 for his wife Venus by Alfredo. So the fettuccine is perfect. It's so thin, just need 30 seconds to be cooked on the pan. Preparing those high quality of butter from the Alps and Parmesan cheese aged 24 months.
That looks delicious.
Beautiful. Perfect, huh?
Our tradition.
Unbelievable.
The plate original for the queen on the table.
Oh, thank you.
What do you think? Look at that. There it is right there. That's the original Fettuccine Alfredo. What's up, guys? So we just got our main course, I guess you would call it here, and there it is. That's the original Fettuccine Alfredo right there. It's fantastic, I'm sure. We're gonna dig into it now. We also have a little side of some meatballs here. You guys can see that. Looks like a wonderful dish as well. So let's dig in. I'm gonna do the.
I think you should taste Alfredo with me first.
Let's do the Alfredo together. We'll do a little cheers here on our fork. Salud.
Salud. Cheers, baby.
Cheers. Oh. Oh my God. I mean, I swear to God, if you weren't chewing it, it would just probably melt in your mouth. It's
It's really good.
It's fettuccine.
Yeah. So, my trips and sips off menu item is going to be the porchetta that we had a little left over into the Alfredo. I just want to try it. Who knows? Maybe it'll be a hit.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You know what? I'm gonna try it myself then.
Oh my god. Are we gonna start a trend?
Let's see.
Oh my god, really good. I don't know, I was craving putting the porchetta on it for some reason. Alright, so now we know the trips and sips off menu items. Porchetta, a side of porchetta, with a porchetta appetizer.
And a little bit, you throw it in with the fettuccine. Olive oil. On the bread.
Yeah.
A little bit of balsamic on the bread.
Ooh, Bubba, where are you going with this?
And that's it. And then you take a nice piece of porchetta, put it on the bread, and I like to call this porchetta bruschetta. Let's see. Molto bene. We also have, like we said, we have the side of meatballs here.
I can't stop eating the Alfredo, and one thing I want to say is it's actually pretty light.
Yeah.
Like the pasta itself is very.
It's rich.
It's rich,
light on
but
the stomach.
The pasta is
Surprising.
very light. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah.
So I'm going to dig into one of these meatballs here.
We haven't done the meatballs yet.
Do a little marinade.
We're picky about meatballs because we make them at home. You like them?
Oh my god. So flavorful. So flavorful. Everything in Italy so far has been on a different level as far as food goes. Everybody says it. We're going to tell you this here on this video. But the God's honest truth is until you get out here and experience it for yourself, you will never 100% understand exactly what everybody's talking about. So, well,
I think we liked it all. Everything is gone to the very last bite. Good job, Bubba.